everyone, and welcome back to Time to Heal Thyself, a channel all about healing yourself as naturally as possible. Today, we're diving into one of my favorite natural remedies, turmeric. This golden spice isn't just for adding flavor to your dishes. It's packed with incredible healing benefits that can really transform your health. Stick around as we explore how turmeric can benefit you and ways to incorporate it into your daily routine. And if you're curious for more turmeric goodies, go ahead and check the description box of this video where I have posted some of my favorite goodies that you can grab from Amazon that are either types of turmeric or have turmeric in them. Alright, let's get into the video. First off, what exactly is turmeric? Turmeric is a vibrant yellow spice that comes from the Curcuma longa plant. It's been used for centuries in traditional medicine, particularly in Ayurveda and Chinese medicine, for its medicinal properties. But let's talk about why turmeric is considered a powerhouse in natural healing. Number 1, its anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric contains curcumin, its active compound, which has potent anti-inflammatory effects. This can help reduce inflammation in the body, which is often at the root of many chronic diseases. Number 2, antioxidant power. Curcumin is also a powerful antioxidant, helping to neutralize free radicals that can damage cells and contribute to aging and various diseases. Number 3, supports digestive health. Turmeric aids in digestion by stimulating bile production and supporting overall gut health. It can alleviate symptoms of bloating, gas, and indigestion. Number 4, boost immune function. By enhancing the activity of your immune cells, turmeric helps your body defend against infections and supports overall immune function. Number 5, promotes heart health. Studies suggest that turmeric may improve heart health by enhancing endothelial function and reducing the risk factors associated with cardiovascular diseases. So now that we've talked about what is in it and what it does, let's explore some simple but yet delicious ways to incorporate turmeric into your daily routine. Number 1, golden milk. Not to be confused with golden showers. Golden milk is a soothing drink made with turmeric, milk or plant-based milk, honey, and spices like cinnamon and ginger. It's perfect for relaxation and, of course, promoting sleep. A little tip from me to you, definitely try out the golden milk during the fall and winter months and warm it up in a coffee mug just like you would do a hot cocoa. This just feels like fall in a mug and it tastes so good. If the golden milk is not your jam, check out turmeric tea. Turmeric tea is another great option. Simply steep fresh turmeric root or powder in hot water with a slice of lemon and honey for a refreshing beverage. So if you're looking for something with a little more substance to really get you through the day, try a turmeric smoothie. For a nutritious boost, add turmeric to your morning smoothie. Combine it with fruits like mango, banana, and spinach for a tasty and health-enhancing treat. But you don't just have to drink your turmeric. Add turmeric to your cooking as well. Add it to your curries, your soups, your rice dishes, and even scrambled eggs to add flavor and, of course, those delicious health benefits. So now that we have a general idea of what we are going to use our turmeric for, here's some great tips to help you get the most out of your turmeric when you buy it. 1, it's always a great idea to choose fresh turmeric roots. Fresh turmeric root is often more potent than powdered turmeric. Look for roots that are firm, smooth, and brightly colored. Now I know fresh turmeric root isn't available everywhere, especially if you're in a smaller town. So of course powdered is always an option and you will find this a little more readily available for you. You can store your fresh turmeric in the refrigerator and powdered turmeric in a cool, dark place like a cabinet to maintain its freshness and potency. A little tip for you, black pepper enhances the absorption of curcumin in turmeric. So consider pairing them together in your recipes, especially for your food-based dishes. And there you have it, the amazing healing benefits of turmeric and easy ways to incorporate it into your daily routine. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share it with your family, your friends, and of course subscribe to Time to Heal Thyself for more natural health tips. Leave a comment below on your favorite way to use turmeric, and let's continue this journey to wellness together. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.